The numbers from 1 to 6 are to be written into the boxes so that the sum of the numbers in 3 neighboring boxes is a multiple of 3 everywhere. How many different possibilities are there for this? This is a probability-related problem. If you look at the number of an answer, you will realize it's impossible to list all the possibilities within a short time. The least possibility given in the option is 48. There must be a trick or a more efficient way to solve this. The question asks for the sum of 3 neighboring numbers to be a multiple of 3. Let's first look at these 6 numbers, 1 to 6. How can we arrange them so that every group of 3 numbers adds up to a multiple of 3? Let's look at 2 possible combinations. The first one, just example, 1, 2, 3, they add up to be 6, and 3, 4, 5 adds up to be 12. But did you observe something? Here is the key observation. A sum of 3 numbers is divisible by 3 if and only if the sum of their remainders is 3. So let's look at them. So 1, if you divide it by 3, you always have a remainder of 1. And 2 divided by 3, you have a remainder of 2. So now let's take advantage of this fact and focus only on the remainders instead of the actual numbers. And why we do this? Because dealing with 3 different numbers will be much simpler than dealing with 6 different numbers. So, which kind of combination might meet the conditions based on the remainder? We can list all the possible sequences with all the remainders. Just 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. They are always repeating, so 0. And then you also can find 0. We start from 0 so that we don't miss any numbers. We start with 0, so 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2. They will meet the condition. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now let's go to the 1. Start with 1. So 1, 0, 2, and what will be next is also 1, 0, 2. Now you see the kind of pattern. So the first 3 number is same as the next 3 numbers. So we just repeat it. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, and 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. So now we see it's only 6 possibilities here. But you know, this is not the actual number from 1 to 6. How can we map the remainder to be the actual number the text or the question gives? So let's take one such kind of valid combination as an example. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So the first number has a remainder of 0. So there are 2 possibilities, either 3 or 6. So there are 2 possibilities. And the next second number also has 2 possibilities because there are 1 and 4 are possible, can be written here. The next one is the 2, remainder of 2. So there are also 2 possibilities, either 2 or 5. Now there's a trick. How many possibilities does the fourth number have? And it has only 1 possibility because the 0 already was chosen. One of them already chosen the 3, for example. Then the next only can be 6, cannot be 3 anymore. So there are only 1 possibility. The 5th and the 6th, they are same as the 4th because the first 1 and 2 was already chosen. There's only 1 possibility left. So how many possibilities for this combination in total? There's 8. So 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, cross 1, 1, 1. So it's the 8. And in total, how many such kind of combination is 6? Therefore, in total, as 6 multiply 8, there are 48 possibilities. So in the end, the answer is A. So in this way, we can solve the problem. We just transfer the actual number to some rules and then make it much simpler. And then we get the answer much more efficient. And thank you for your listening. I hope it helps you. See you next time.